Hi there, creative friends, and happy summer! Today marks official summer solstice, and I hope you have some fun plans to soak up some sunshine and honor the season and midsummer. Today we'll make life happy by bringing my new Sidekick Journal to life. I'll use this journal for discovering new arts and crafts techniques, and I'll make notes of what I learned during any creation process. In part 1 of this 2-part series, follow along with me as I create the cover from a cardboard box that held some neon pigments. I've started by covering the outside in white gesso and hitting it with some heat so we can start building layers made with beautiful pieces of corrugated cardboard and some collage tissue paper with grid lines. After applying these torn textured collage pieces, I'm sorting through some of my grungy bright gel prints so we can choose one for the next layer. In early July, I'll have digital copies of these exact gel prints in my shop over at KristinandHerCats.com. I've decided to use this print with some gorgeous grunge in bright purple and vibrant turquoise. Before I add the gel print, I'll finish layering the torn cardboard and tissue collage pieces. I'm using some fluid matte medium to apply the print directly over the scraps of cardboard and tissue we just put down, and I'm pressing it firmly in every nook and cranny so all that beautiful texture shows through. Since this was printed on deli paper, it's thin and translucent, so both the texture from the cardboard and the grid lines on the tissue will still be visible. Next, I added some more color by getting my hands dirty with some acrylic paints. I used similar colors in different hues and spread them in more of the texture and white spots. Now that the base for the cover is complete and dry, we can start to bind my pre-made signatures into place. I've made 3 thick signatures that fill the spine of this journal just right. I've used lots of scrap papers as well as some extra papers from children's books and used notebooks in my signatures. I'm not doing any measuring to bind in these signatures. I'm just going to use my intuition and go with it, not really caring about if it's lined up or not. It'll even add to that rustic, grungy vibe and give it some character. Now grab your own twine, needles, and cardboard and let's craft together. Yay! We've completed the construction of our Sidekick Journal. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and I'm super excited to add even more magic to the front of the cover. Join me next Sunday morning as we create some playful stash papers together. We'll bring summer into the studio as we use granulating watercolors and other mixed media to create some stunning sunset colors. Then, the following week, we'll use some of those same papers in our new Sidekick Journal to create a spread celebrating summer. We'll also craft some embellishments to add to the front of our new journal cover. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Please show your love by liking our video, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to our channel for more creative self-care ideas. Thanks again for watching, and keep making life happy!